The Huawei 9S features a 6.21-inch display Full HD Plus with 1080 by 2340 pixel resolution and 19:5:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone runs Android 9.0 Pie operating system topped with company's own layer of MIUI 9.0. The device is powered by an octa-core Kirin 710 processor paired with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB internal storage. The users can further expand the storage by adding a microSD card. The smartphone comes with hybrid dual SIM support and triple rear camera setup. The handset sports a 24MP main sensor with LED flash, second 2MP sensor and a third 16MP ultra-wide camera. The front is home to an 8MP selfie shooter. The device comes equipped with a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and is backed by a 3400 mAh battery. The Huawei Enjoy 9S comes in black, red and blue color.